Hello and welcome to the Animated Archaeologist. This is Archie, reporting live from Cambridge University. An extraordinary archaeological discovery in England is shedding new light on the violent realities of the Viking Age. Archaeologists and university students working at a routine training excavation have uncovered what experts now believe to be a Viking-era execution site, containing the remains of at least 10 individuals who appear to have been deliberately killed and buried together more than 1,000 years ago. The discovery was made near Cambridge, where students participating in a supervised dig began uncovering human bones in what initially appeared to be an ordinary burial pit. But as excavation continued, the team quickly realized this was no typical grave. Several of the skeletons showed clear signs of violent trauma. In multiple cases, skulls were separated from the bodies, and cut marks on the neck vertebrae strongly suggest decapitation. Other bones showed evidence of blunt force injuries and defensive wounds, indicating the victims may have struggled before their deaths. Experts believe the pit dates to the late 9th or early 10th century, a time when Viking forces frequently raided and occupied parts of England. Archaeologists say the victims may have been prisoners of war, captured during Viking campaigns and executed as punishment, retaliation, or ritual display of power. One of the most striking aspects of the discovery is how the bodies were arranged. Rather than careful burials, the remains appear to have been thrown into the pit quickly and without ceremony. This suggests the individuals were not honored in death, but instead treated as enemies or criminals. Researchers are now conducting further analysis, including carbon dating and DNA testing, to learn more about who these individuals were, where they came from, how old they were, and whether they were locals or foreign captives. The Viking Age, which lasted roughly from the late 700s to the mid-1000s, was marked by exploration, trade, and settlement, but also by warfare and conquest. Discoveries like this provide rare and sobering evidence of the human cost of those conflicts. Archaeologists say the find will help historians better understand the realities of Viking occupation in England and the fate of those caught in its path. The excavation is continuing, and researchers hope further discoveries at the site may reveal even more about this dark chapter of early medieval history. For now, what began as a simple student training exercise has become one of the most compelling archaeological discoveries of the year. Reporting from Cambridge, Archie, the Animated Archaeologist, signing off.